In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Chatgpt account in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to AI language models or just looking for a quick guide, you've come to the right place. So let's dive in and make sure you're set up to start using Chatgpt in no time. First off, you'll want to head to the official Chatgpt website. This is your starting point. Make sure you're on the official site to avoid any fraudulent pages. Now, once you've landed on the homepage, look for the Sign Up button. It'll usually be prominently displayed, so it's easy to find. Go ahead and click on that button, and let's move forward. Next, you're given the option to choose a sign-up method. Most platforms will allow you to use an email address or sign in through another service like Google or Microsoft. Choose the method that suits you best. If you opt to use an email address, you'll need to enter it carefully. Make sure it's one you have immediate access to because you'll need it in the next step. After you've entered your details, it's time to check your inbox for a confirmation email. This step is crucial because it's how ChatGPT verifies your email address to ensure it's active and that you're the one signing up. If you don't see the email right away, check your spam or junk folders just in case. Once you find it, click on the verification link contained within. Following this link will confirm your email address and take you back to the setup process on the website. With your email verified, you'll be asked to enter your first name and last name. This information helps personalize your account experience, and it's also important for any future interactions you might have with the ChatGPT support team. The next step is phone number verification. Now, you might wonder why this is necessary, but it's an essential security measure that ensures the integrity of the account creation process. Enter your phone number and look out for a code sent via text. Once you receive the code, input it on the website to verify your number. Once you've completed these verification steps, congratulations, you're all set up. You can now start using ChatGPT. Dive into asking questions, exploring the features, and discovering all that this AI tool has to offer. There's a world of information and assistance waiting for you, and with your account created, it's right at your fingertips. I hope this step-by-step guide has been clear and helpful for you. Creating a Chatgpt account is quite straightforward, and now you're ready to explore the vast capabilities of AI conversations. Enjoy your journey and happy chatting.